What's up, guys? Luckside coming to you here again on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Shiba Inu whales seem to be timing the market. They seem to be playing a little bit of games, and I want to talk about this a little bit and why this is important to pay attention to. But first, if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel, because in that way, again, you'll know when any of our videos, shorts, live streams, become available. Okay, so Shiba Inu whales are timing the market, and they have noticed that what they consider large transactions are up a whopping 275%. So why does this matter? Like, why should you care, right? Well, whales are what drive the market. Okay, large holders are the ones that move the price, especially when it comes to high cap coins. Okay, it takes a lot more financial energy in order to get the price going one way or the other. Now, 75 large transactions, which they consider those that are $100,000 or more, were actually recorded for Shiba Inu in the last 24 hours. So typically when this happens, whales are making a move, whether that be to the purchase side, the sell side, so they are something to obviously pay attention to. Now, what they did mention in this article is that it's noteworthy that a massive spike in large transactions led Shiba Inu to the impressive rise earlier in August. Now, if you remember that was that spike that went this way, whoop, just up and to the right. Okay, that was the one that just exploded and blew everybody's mind, especially Oscar. If you remember his video, Oh, that's Oscar. Love you, Oscar. So why is this important? Okay, why do I mention this? Well, this brings me to a point. Okay, you need to make sure that you have a plan. Okay, in times like these, the bear market, the depths of this, there's obviously not a whole lot going on. Okay, we're not seeing this just continued run up like we would normally see during the bull market. This extended period of just green candles just going on for days and days and days at a time, months even. Yeah, no, not years. Well, yeah, years. Okay, we can say years at a time, right? So there's these extended periods where everybody's happy and you're making these big gains, okay? The bear market isn't like that. There's a lot of flat trading. There's a lot of negative sentiment. There's going to be lots of days of red. But if you pay attention to these whales and whale action, you can kind of, I don't want to say game the market, but you can have a good idea of what's going on. So it brings me to the point of making sure that you have a plan in place, okay? Because a plan at these point in times are what can make you, quite a bit of money. Now, this is obviously not financial advice, but you always need to make sure you do your own research. You need to make sure you pay attention to the fundamentals, and you need to monitor these things, because this is the time, obviously, where you can set yourself up pretty well for the future. This is the bear market is where millionaires are made. Okay, that's when you can set up your bag for the next bull run and really come out ahead. Now, it also notes that amongst the top ETH wallets, they are kind of I don't want to say controlling everything right now, but they have a pretty good pull in that. Like Bone, for example, which just had an explosive run up, ran up 150%. Trading volume there, especially amongst large wallets, were up, 447%. That's a lot. That's a lot, guys. And you'll see that here, it says it was actually the most traded token amongst the top 100 ETH wallets. So again, this is not financial advice. Just make sure that you do your own research. Make sure you pay attention to these things going on, because if you do it in the bear market, you can set yourself up pretty well. Now, again, as always, this is not financial advice. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Appreciate you guys taking time out of your day to watch this. Make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell, because then again, that way you'll know when any of our content goes live. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I really hope to see you in the next one.